If you're a beginner new to stretching, don't search for hamstring stretches. You're not ready for that yet, at least until you can comfortably do a deep squat like this. Because the squat builds flexibility not just in the hamstrings, but the whole lower body, making it perfect for a beginner. I get it. You're probably thinking, Rad, my hamstrings feel super tight. And while that might be the case, diving straight into hamstring stretches could set you up for frustration. Here's why. If you're at the beginning of your flexibility journey, you're essentially at stage 1. This means it's crucial to keep your focus on a comprehensive full body mobility routine that's simple and easy to do, not stretches that are specific for hamstrings. Those are reserved for stage 2 individuals, people who've already built a comfortable level with stretching and are on their way to unlocking the secrets of stage 3 flexibility. To learn more about stage 1, 2, and 3, grab the Flexibility Blueprint. It's free, just click or tap the screen to get it. Stage 2 stretching routines, though more nuanced, can be quite intense and demanding. They're not for the faint-hearted and can be daunting enough to make many beginners question their commitment to flexibility. So let's hold off on those hamstring stretches for now. Before diving into specialized routines, there's a foundational flexibility milestone to achieve: mastering the deep squat. The deep squat is more than just a move. It's a comprehensive stretch, targeting your lower body from hamstrings to adductors and ankles. This multifaceted movement serves as a perfect prelude for the more intricate stretches awaiting you in the next stages, making it the bedrock of stage 1 flexibility. Now, if you're feeling the pinch trying to hit that deep squat, especially with your heels wanting to lift off, don't fret. It's a challenge almost all of us have wrestled with. The trick lies in tweaking the movement to suit you. Here's a beginner-friendly solution. Find a stick or any flat object to elevate your heels slightly. This elevation eases the flexibility demand of the squat. As you practice, this adaptation helps your ankles gain the flexibility they need for deeper squats over time. While in this adjusted squat position, focus on sinking deep into the squat and keeping your chest up, gaze high, and feeling the stretch it offers. You can also increase your ankle flexibility by placing a massage ball under your heel like this, and then push down hard on your ankle for about 30 seconds. Then get a decent weight, I'm using 44 pounds here, and put it on your knee to give a loaded calf stretch. Hold for 30 seconds. These massage balls are inexpensive. I'll put a link in the description, and if you use my links, you won't have to search for the best option. And we also make a small commission which supports the channel. Doing these 2 exercises will immediately improve your ankle flexibility, so do them before you practice your squat. You might even be able to squat with your feet on the ground, or at least with less heel elevation. Once you're in the squat position, try to push your knees out with your elbows or arms. There's many ways you can do this, and it really helps build the flexibility you're looking for. The squat is an integral movement in my 20-minute full body mobility routine, which is the perfect place to start for a stage 1 beginner. You can get it here if you click or tap the screen. One more thing that will really help your hamstrings and your squat is foam rolling. A firm foam roller will increase your pain tolerance, increase blood circulation, and warm up your hamstrings. This is why the 20-minute mobility routine starts with foam rolling, and we actually do the whole body before moving into the squat and other stretches. All of these stage 1 exercises can be done by beginners. There's nothing that's too painful or too challenging to do. And when you commit to a 20-minute stage 1 mobility routine, you'll level up to stage 2 in 4 weeks or less. To see how, click or tap the screen and watch that next video. Make sure to get the Flexibility Blueprint too, and I'll see you in that next video.